Hello, friends, and welcome back to Virtual Math with me, Miss Fache. Today for our lesson, as always, you will need your looking eyes, your listening ears, your quiet voices, a pencil, and paper. This is our second lesson for the week, so we're going to be reviewing place value, tens and ones in two-digit numbers to 100. So we are going to review how to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. Remember how we did that in our last lesson? Well, we're going to do it again today, but we're going to play a game for brag bucks. So here's how we'll play our game. I will show you a question. You will have 30 seconds to think about your answer and write it on your paper. We will check the answer together. If you got it right, you will give yourself 10 brag bucks for that question, which is different from last time. So each of our questions are worth 10 brag bucks this time. We'll be counted by tens to add or subtract our brag bucks. And if you get it wrong, then you'll take away 10 brag bucks for that question. Can you earn 100 brag bucks? Let's find out. So here's an example of the game that we're going to play. Our game is called Digit Detective, and you are going to be a digit detective. I'm going to be thinking about a mystery number, and I'm going to give you some clues to try to figure out my mystery number. As a digit detective, it is your job to try to figure out what my number is. So watch me. I'm going to do some practice with you. Here's the clue. The digit in the tens place is 2, and the digit in the ones place is 1. What is my number? And what is the value of the 2? And what is the value of the 1? Well, if I'm thinking of my number and my digit in the tens place is 2, and my digit in the ones place is 1, then my number must be 21. Well, what is the value of the 2? What number is hiding inside of 21? Right, 20. Because the value of my 2 is 20. What is the value of my 1? Right, 1 or 1, 1. All right, let's try another one. I'm thinking about a mystery number. Here's my clue. My number is how many crayons are in the picture. What number is in the tens place? What number is in the ones place? How many crayons are there? So in looking at my crayons, how many tens do we see? Right, we see 4 tens, so we know our number has 4 tens. And how many ones do we see? Right, we see 5 ones. So we write the number 5 in our place value chart under ones. So how many crayons are there in all? You got it, there's 45 crayons. There are 45 crayons. Are you ready to play Digit Detective? All right, let's try one more practice just to make sure you got it. This time, I want you to do this one with me. Here's my clue. Here is the number on a place value chart. What is my number? You got it. The number is 80. Okay, I think you're ready for the game. Now that you've seen all the different types of questions that you will see on this game, I think you're ready. So go ahead and make sure you have your paper and pencil ready so you can write your answer down and the number of brag bucks that you got next to it. Are you ready? All right. Guess what, guys? It's game time. All right, let's start our game. Here is number 1. Remember, I'm thinking about a mystery number. I'm going to give you some clues. The digit in the tens place is 2. The digit in the ones place is 9. What is my number? What's the value of the 2? And what's the value of the 9? You need 3 answers. You need your number, the value of the 2, and the value of the 9. Ready? Go. All right, your time is up. Turn back to me so we can check our work and see if we've earned brag bucks. All right, so the digits in the tens place is 2, and the digits in the ones place is 9, so our number must be 29. If you got that, give me a double high five. Now, we got 2 more answers. What's the value of the 2? If you guessed 20, then you're right. What's the value of the 9? Right, 9 or 9 ones. Go ahead and give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got that right, or minus 10 brag bucks if you got that wrong. And if you got it wrong, it's okay. We still have a chance to earn 90 more brag bucks. Get ready for the next clue. I'm thinking about a mystery number. Here's the clue. The digit in the tens place is 6. The digit in the ones place is 3. What's my number? What's the value of the 6? What's the value of the 3? Go. All right, time is up. Turn back to me so we can check it together. What number did you come up with? If you said 63, then you're right. What's the value of the 6? 60, got it. And what's the value of the 3? Right, 3 or 3 ones. Perfect. Give yourself 10 bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 bucks if you got it wrong. Now, for the next few, we're gonna be moving a little bit faster to go through our game. So get ready. Here's my next clue. My number is how many grapes are in the picture. What is the number in the tens place? What is the number in the ones place? How many grapes are there? Go. Time is up. Let's go ahead and see what is the number in the tens place. What did you guess? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you guessed 9, then you are absolutely right. Let's see what's the number in our ones place. I know that I can look at this and I don't have to count them one at a time because this is in a 5 group and then I have 3 more down here. So what is my number? You got it, 8. So how many grapes are there? You're right, there are 98 grapes. Go ahead and give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 brag bucks if you got it wrong. But don't you worry, there's more time to earn some more brag bucks. I'm thinking about a mystery number. Here's my clue. The digit in the tens place is 8. The digit in the ones place is 4. What is my number? What's the value of the 8? What's the value of the 4? Go. All right, time is up. Did you get 84? Good job. What's the value of the 8? Right, 80. What about the 4? You got it, 4 or 4 ones. Go ahead and give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 brag bucks if you got it wrong. Who's ready for the next one? All right, let's keep going. Here's my clue. The digit in the tens place is 7. The digit in the ones place is 8. What is my number? What's the value of the 7? What's the value of the 8? Go. Time is up. Did you get 78? Great. What's the value of the 7? It's 70. And what's the value of the 8? Right, 8 or 8 ones. Give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 brag bucks if you got it wrong. Get ready. Here comes my next clue. Here's my number on the place value chart. What is my number? Go. All right, friends, time is up. What is my number? Shout it out. You got it, 95. This one was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 brag bucks if you got it wrong. Here's my next clue. Ooh, this one is tricky, so listen carefully. The digit in the tens place is 1 more than 3. The digit in the ones place is 10 less than 12. Then you're gonna say the number the say 10 way to yourself. I'll read that again. The digit in the tens place is 1 more than 3. The digit in the ones place is 10 less than 12. Then you're going to say the number the say 10 way to yourself. Go. Time is up. All right. So, what number did you get? If you got 42, then you are absolutely right. It says the digit in the tens place right here is 1 more than 3. Well, I know that 1 more than 3 is 3 plus 1, which is 4. And it says the digit in the ones place is 10 less than 12. So I can say 12 minus 10, or if I know in my mind that if I take this 10 away, then that means I have 10 less, and the number I have left is 2. So there's many different strategies you could have used to solve that problem. How do we say this number the say 10 way? Shout it out. Right, 4 tenths 2. All right, let's see if you can get the next one. Here's my clue. Here's my number on the place value chart. What is my number? Go. Time is up. I heard that this one was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So what is my number? Shout it out. You got it. It's 59. Go ahead and give yourself 10 brag bucks if you got it right, or take away 10 brag bucks if you got it wrong. Here's my next clue. The digit in the ones place is equal to 5 plus 3. The digit in the tens place is equal to 10 minus 5. Then you're going to say the number the say 10 way to yourself. Let's read that again. The digit in the ones place is equal to 5 plus 3. The digit in the tens place is equal to 10 minus 5. Say the number the say 10 way to yourself. Go. Your time is up. So my clue says the digit in the ones place is equal to 5 plus 3. And the digit in the tens place is equal to 10 minus 5. So what is my digit in the tens place? Okay, what is my digit in the ones place? Let's check. If you said 58, then you're absolutely right. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. How do I say that number the say 10 way? Right, 5 tenths 8. I have another question for you. What is the value of that 5? Right, 50. And what is the value of the 8? 8 or 8 ones. Awesome job, friends. Here's my next clue. My number is how many pencils are in the picture. What is the number in the tens place? What is the number in the ones place? How many pencils are there? Go. Your time is up. Let's check. How many pencils do you see? How many tens are there? Right, there are 10 tens. And how many ones do you see? There are 0 ones. And what is our number? 100. So there are 100 pencils. Wow, that's a lot of pencils. If you got this right, don't forget to give yourself 10 brag bucks. And if you got it wrong, don't forget to take away 10 brag bucks. How many brag bucks did you get? I hope everyone got 100 brag bucks. Go ahead and add and subtract to find out how many brag bucks you got. And tell your teacher on your exit ticket. Friends, I had so much fun playing with you today. Let's think about the game that we played. How did you figure out what this number was from the place value chart? How did you figure that out? Okay, so you looked at how many tens and ones there was, and then you saw the number, right, you saw the number 80. How did we figure out the number from the picture? You did the same thing. Maybe you figured out how many tens there were and then how many ones there were, and you wrote your number in standard form. Maybe you counted the picture by tens and then continued counting by ones in order to figure out how many were in that picture. Either strategy that you use will tell you what the number is from the picture or the place value chart. Friends, how did you figure out how many tens and ones were in the number? When we had a number, how did you figure out how many tens and ones were in the number? Let's say we had the number 95. How did you figure out how many tens and ones were in 95? Okay, so you know that this number has 9 tens, which gives it the value 90, and 5 ones, which gives it the value 5 or 5 ones. Good job. That's a great strategy to figure that out. When you do your exit ticket today, I want you to use those strategies to try to figure out what your numbers are. Friends, today we reviewed how to use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a 2-digit number up to 100. You will see this on your exit ticket. So go ahead and do your exit ticket. Remember, this is required for a grade. Watch this video again if you need to, and you can also watch Lesson 1's video. Remember to practice on ST Math for 15 minutes every day. Don't forget to log into Google Classroom every day to mark yourself present and check for more fun activities. And check your classwork on Monday at 8 a.m. for your next lesson and practice. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.